What is going on, everyone? Another epic fucking game. Two brilliancies and two great moves. Unfortunately, the two brilliancies are not back to back, so hey, nothing I can really say about that. You can't ask for everything. The only reason why I'm playing in 1177 is because I joined a tournament and there wasn't enough players to start it. And I guess that because of that, it signed me up automatically for the next one the next hour. So I'm sitting there doing my thing and boop, throws me into this game. I couldn't just resign, so what was I going to do? Here we go. Tell you another story. It's late night. I used to be a moderator of D2JSP. I'm playing Diablo 2, doing my thing on the forums, waving that ban hammer. And I go to the bathroom, and I'm in boxers. It's winter. It's snowing again. Same time of year as the other story. And I see my fucking car door open. So I grab a souffle knife, and I jump out the front door. I leap 15 feet over the poisonberry bush, and the dude hears the door open and drops my amp. He had it unscrewed off my fucking box. Drops it and takes off. I'm sliding all over the place in bare feet chasing this kid, screaming, "I'm a fucking kill you." You know what I'm saying? And I couldn't catch him because I'm sliding everywhere, and he didn't turn around once. I made it to the next street. He real quick turned his face. I think I know who it is, but I'm not about to accuse someone and spoil a relationship because I don't know for sure. Chased him about a quarter mile and never heard anything of it again. It's a quick story because this is a quick game. I really don't have too much to show you. But here's the first boss move coming up. It's not too crazy, this first one. But it definitely does set up the game for what's going on. Boom. Great move. Great move, right? He doesn't take it because he can't. So I come in with my queen. Trying to do the whole, shenanigans. Guess what I do here? One of the best moves I've ever played. Queen's under fire. Yeah, buddy. You're like, why the fuck would you do that? Because if he takes it, which he kind of has to, I can come in and check with my light squared bishop and pull away his king. So now when I take that bishop with my knight, I don't lose the knight. And his king's moving left, I'm going to create a fucking hole for him. Boom, another great move. So I take the bishop with the fork, right? Boom, I don't even take the rook. Look at that move. How do I find these moves, guys? If he takes it with the queen, dark squared bishop, g3, pins the queen to the king. Nothing to block. So what does he do? Hits my queen. Yeah, buddy. See that I can put my queen on b7 for a nasty checkmate, and he totally blocks the only escape square. Forced checkmate in 4. Only move. Boom. Only move. Boom. Only move. And I had a couple of ways to finish it off, but I figured I'd do the long castle. Yeah, buddy. So more or less, the story's not too much, not too crazy, but it's so much shit happened to that car. But I do appreciate you guys. There's another epic one for the record books. Thanks for watching.